Hello, human beings. It's me again. I'm still in Dublin, Ireland. I'm still me, and I'm still trying to do and learn new things. Today, I thought I would try one of those so-and-so tries something for the first time. Problem is, being a good Irish boy, I've tried most common Irish foods. So I've been wandering around for a few days, and I realized that there is something that I have never tried before, which is very popular here in Ireland, and it is cheese and onion crisps, or as we call them in America, chips. Which is not what they call chips. You know this stuff. Anyway, I was on. I found out that the Irish have claimed to have this particular brand, Tayto. Invented the cheese and onion flavor in 1957, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the most popular flavor of crisp here in Ireland. So I went down to the Tesco's and I got the 4 most popular brands that I could tell based on how centrally located they were in the chip bag, the chip area. Number 1 was Tayto. Potato is everywhere here. It's like Lay's potato chips. It's like these are like Doritos in America. Anyway, so I got a bag of Taytos. Right next to them were the King cheese and onion and crisps, and then just below those were the Tayto Hunky Dories, which are still cheddar cheese and spring onion, but they're crinkle cut. And then right behind those was something called Keogh's. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Keogh's, which is mature Irish cheese and onion, grown with love in Ireland, and they are proudly carbon neutral. So I thought, well, that's worth a shot. So anyway, I'm going to open these up one at a time, and we'll try them. I haven't opened them; they're completely sealed. I've never tried them before. And of course, to be fair, I will be cleansing my palate between each thing with a non-specific, totally unrecognizable beverage that none of you will understand or recognize at all. Just quality check, just making sure it's good. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Okay, I have opened the Taytos, the baseline, the King, the original, the OG. I'm gonna take one out. Not gonna lie, it has a pretty much the exact consistency and transparency that you get in a cheap yellow Lay's packet, like you used to get in your school lunch. Smells slightly cheesy. Very slight cheese flavor, very slight onion flavor. Try another one just to be sure. It builds up. It builds up. I'll do 3 from each bag, so this will be my 3rd one, just to give it a fair shake. There you go. Hello, I'm over here. Thank you. Here we go. It's like if a plain Lay's potato chip had any flavor whatsoever, it would kind of be like that. Anyway, let's see how it goes with a sip of generic beverage here. Has no ability to stand up to the generic beverage at all. So, okay, so that's number 1. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Now I figured just to be fair, I have also opened the Tayto Hunky Dory crinkle cut cheddar cheese and spring onion thing. So again, I'll try 3. Let's see here. I have to hold the camera too, so I can only do this one-handed. Smells exactly like the first one. Same chip consistency and flavor as kind of like a Ruffles. Cheese and onion flavor is a little stronger on these. Doesn't stick to your teeth as much. That's a good sign. First one was the first one got a little gummy at the end here, so there's a nice big one here. Slightly stronger flavor, a little less salt. Nope, a little more salt. A little tiny bit of weird sweetness, like they caramelized the onion or something like that. Yeah, nice big one. Getting kind of sour, kind of a weird sour flavor thing. Generic beverage. Makes the beverage taste a little weird too. I'm really stuck in my teeth now. Okay, well I'm gonna open the next bag and get my teeth cleared, and we'll come back to this. Okay, now I've got the King cheese and onion. That's all it says. Cheese and onion flavor, potato crisps, simply superior crisps. Very King Britishy thing to say. Oh no, we are simply superior. Okay, here we go. Number one. Got my 3 chips laid out here. Again, pretty much the consistency of, school lunch Lays. Less flavor than the first one. Actually, all I taste is potato. I don't taste any cheese or onion. Not sticking to my teeth is bad. Okay, last one. To tell you the truth, if you had handed this to me and just said, hey, here are some potato chips, and didn't tell me it was cheese and onion flavor, I wouldn't notice. Very, almost no flavor whatsoever. Try the generic beverage. Well, one of the advantages of not having any flavor in the chip is it doesn't affect the flavor of the beverage. So, there you go. Okay, we're moving on to the last one, the Keoghs. I'll be right back. Okay, these are Keoghs, grown with love in Ireland, mature Irish. Well, I'm mature, they're mature, maybe we'll get along a little better. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Chip number 1. Okay, now these have a little more substance to them. Have about the consistency of like a kettle chip. Oh. Serious crunch. Good flavor. Again, I'm not getting much cheese or onion. Let's see. Try another one. It's more interesting from a chew factor. You feel like you're actually eating something, not just sort of having something evaporate in your mouth. Let's see. One more. Well, I'm not sure what love tastes like, but I mean, it's not bad. It says hand cooked on our family farm. I see at the bottom here. God, I hope not. Anyway, I hope they use a machine or something. They'll be losing their shirt. These are only €1, so. So anyway, let's see. I guess I have to be judgmental and make a decision. Of these, I would rate them last, king. Second last, potato. Second place, the hunky dories, just because they have, some backbone to them. And then of the four, I would put the Kios first. Would I buy them again? No. But there you go. Oh, interesting. One final note on the Kios. I just looked at the back. It actually has, let me check these others. No, they don't say it. On the back of the Kios, it actually tells you which field in Ireland that was grown in. Apparently it was the field Malahide. The variety of potato is Kibbutz. It was cooked by Mary. So, Mary, you win. Congratulations. Well, that's it for my very first experienced guy tries a new experience, and I'll see you in the next one. Plancha.